Most candidates lose marks in AI workload identification and business value mapping because they misunderstand how to align AI solutions with real business outcomes. In this video, I'll walk you through carefully selected exam-style questions and show you exactly how to approach them strategically, not just conceptually, but from an exam decision-making perspective. If your Microsoft AI Business Professional AB-730 exam is coming up, this is one of the sections you cannot afford to get wrong. This topic appears under the core AI business scenario and solution mapping objectives, which account for a significant portion of the exam. The exam typically tests this concept through business scenario-based questions, where you must evaluate organizational goals, identify appropriate AI solutions, assess responsible AI considerations, and recommend the most suitable Microsoft AI capabilities. Many candidates fail not because they don't know what AI is, but because they misinterpret business context, stakeholder priorities, or ethical considerations within the scenario. In this session, we'll break down the logic behind these questions, analyze the reasoning process, and sharpen your strategic thinking so you can select the best answer with confidence. Now, let's start practicing the questions. Question number 1. You receive the following response to a prompt. Sorry, it looks like I can't respond to this. Let's try a different topic. What is a possible cause of the response? Option A. The prompt is too vague to elicit a response. Option B. The prompt contains language that violates safety guidelines. Option C. The prompt contains more than 5 requests. Option D. The prompt is larger than the allowed context window. Correct answer is B. The prompt contains language that violates safety guidelines. Question number 2. You use Microsoft 365 Copilot. You regularly upload the same 5 files to Copilot chats. You need to simplify referencing the files in the chats. What are 2 ways to achieve the goal? Option A. Send a prompt that includes the files, and then save the prompt. Option B. Create a notebook that references the files. Option C. Ask the data engineers to create a fine-tuned model. Option D. Create an agent that has a knowledge source. Correct answer is B. Create a notebook that references the files, and D. Create an agent that has a knowledge source. Question number 3. You are discussing Microsoft 365 Copilot with a colleague. The colleague asks which data Copilot uses to answer questions when using the work scope. What should you tell your colleague? Option A. Copilot provides responses based only on the general knowledge that Copilot was trained on. Option B. Copilot provides responses based on all the data in your organization's Microsoft 365 environment and the general knowledge that Copilot was trained on. Option C. Copilot provides responses based only on data that the user can access and the general knowledge that Copilot was trained on. Option D. Copilot provides responses based only on data that the user can access. The correct answer is C. Copilot provides responses based only on data that the user can access and the general knowledge that Copilot was trained on. Question number 4. You use Microsoft 365 Copilot to generate a training plan. You need to check if there are any existing training plans in your organization that are similar to the new training plan. What should you use in Copilot? Option A, Search. Option B, Designer. Option C, Apps. Option D, Pages. Correct answer is A, Search. Question number 5. You are creating a custom analytics agent in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. The agent will use Microsoft Excel files that contain sales data as knowledge. You need to ensure that the agent can create visualizations, perform mathematical operations, create aggregations, and analyze the data in the files. What should you add to the agent? Option A, Code Interpreter. Option B, Image Generator. Option C, a suggested prompt. Option D, a template. Correct answer is A, Code Interpreter. Question number 6. You ask Microsoft 365 Copilot to create a report based on information from the web. You verify the response and discover that some information is fictional. What is this an example of? Option A, deepfake. Option B, fabrication. Option C, over-reliance. Or option D, prompt injection. The correct answer is D, prompt injection. Question number 7. You create a Microsoft 365 Copilot notebook and add a file named process.docs from a local folder. Yesterday, you updated process.docs in the local folder. What will occur when you chat in the notebook? Option A, the chat will reference both versions of process.docs. Option B, the chat will reference the most recent version of process.docs. Or option C, the chat will reference only the original version of process.docs. The correct answer is C. The chat will reference only the original version of process.docs. Question number 8. You use Microsoft 365 Copilot. You need to delete all your conversations by using the least amount of effort. What is the best approach to achieve the goal? More than one answer choice may achieve the goal. Select the best answer. Option A, the Microsoft 365 Copilot web app. Option B, the My Account portal in Microsoft 365. Option C, the Microsoft 365 Copilot desktop app. Option D, the Settings app in Windows 11. Correct answer is B, the My Account portal in Microsoft 365. Question number 9. You are creating a prompt in Microsoft 365 Copilot to get information about a proposal. You need to ensure that the response is grounded in the proposal's information. What is the best approach to achieve the goal? More than one answer choice may achieve the goal. Select the best answer. Option A, instruct Copilot to rely on its training data to infer proposal details. Option B, add a specific goal that you want Copilot to accomplish. Option C, reference the proposal content in the prompt. Option D, add context about the intended audience. Correct answer is C, reference the proposal content in the prompt. Question number 10. You are creating a custom analytics agent in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. The agent will use Microsoft Excel files that contain sales data as knowledge. You need to ensure that the agent can create visualizations, perform mathematical operations, create aggregations, and analyze the data in the files. What should you add to the agent? Option A, Code Interpreter. Option B, Image Generator. Option C, a suggested prompt. Option D, a template. Correct answer is A, Code Interpreter.
We've prepared a full-length practice exam covering questions across all weighted domains with detailed explanations for every answer. Visit passforsuccess.com, where you'll find high-quality practice questions, exam simulations, and expert-designed study materials to help you pass with confidence.